Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best cover stitch machines on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Brother Coverstitch Serger. This Brother Coverstitch machine can comfortably do a variety of stitches. These include the double chain stitch, flat locks, the tri-cover stitch, utility stitches, as well as the decorative zigzags, to name but a few. The Brother 2340 CV machine is one chunky machine in its design, but it makes up for it with a lightweight 15 pounds weight. It has 11.8 into 11 into 13.4 inches dimensions, meaning that you have the rest of the workspace all to yourself. If you're worried about speed, this brother right here will sort you out with its SPM, stitches per minute, of 1000, which is pretty good. Talking of speed, to get the hems right, the front and rear feed dogs must be controlled. The slider level adjustment guide caters for that. One thing that beginners will appreciate about this machine is the color-coded threading guide that makes needling and looping very straightforward. Another plus is the special presser foot that snaps back into position after use. Pros: easy to use. Professional finish guaranteed, no skipped stitches, no puckering, no frays. Quick loop threading because of the looper, which is right where you can see it. The fabric rarely bunches or stretches while you work. Cons: there's no auto tension release. The machine struggles to release tension, and it's not a pretty sight. No free arm. Feature highlights. Number 2. Our second best pick is Janome Coverpro Coverstitch Machine. A glance at this machine won my heart immediately, as it pulled off the trustworthy traditional, industrial sewing machine look. The Janome 1000 CPX, however, is a homemade machine that does nothing else other than make hems. The Janome Coverpro 1000 CPX beats the Brother 2340 CV cover stitch machine by having a long free arm that makes it possible to sew while hemming. It goes further to outshine Brotherman thanks to its large harp space that eases laying of fabric and related tasks, i.e., placing a cup of coffee at the side while you sew. Don't get it twisted. This machine is not all luxury. It also has a removable extension plate which provides extra room in case the fabric is too large. The 3-needle/4 thread capability makes it very versatile, as it can work on both thin and thick knit layers of cloth. It can make a wide double-stitched hem with the help of the adjustable seam guide. Pros: easy to thread. The layers of fabric feed well into this one thanks to all that harp space. The free arm is a huge plus because it's long enough. Has a foot controller to get the speed just right. Cons: it comes with a solid metal presser foot which makes it difficult to see through. The high-quality thread is quite expensive. Feature highlights. Number 3. Our third best pick is Juki MCS 1500 Cover Stitch and Chain Stitch Machine. In appearance, the MSC 1500 cover stitch is compact, and the design is not as complicated as that of the Brother 2340 CV. This machine mainly does cover stitches for sleeves, armholes, necklines, and simple hems. Making chain stitches on the waist and side seams of pants is also easy as ABC with this specialty device. The first thing you'll notice on this Juki MSC 1500 cover stitch machine that misses on most of the others is the exterior thread cutter for removing unnecessary pieces of thread while or after sewing. But that's not where the uniqueness stops. On the side is an extension plate with seam guidelines, clearly marked to help a beginner or expert in maneuvering the edges. Sewing right means having your needles at the correct pressure setting. Juki knows this because it has an adjustable presser foot that allows you to change the pressure to a setting fit for the specific type of fabric. The adjustable differential feed marked on the knobs on the front of the machine also allows you to control the stitching at whatever speed. The presser foot, which comes with a guide, is placed at a higher position so that you can place your fabric hassle-free. Pros: this machine has a sturdy build. It comes threaded. All you have to do is place the fabric and sew away. It does not skip stitches, rarely jams, and the results look as quality as the machine. Cons. It takes a learning curve to master threading. Extra cost since you have to buy yourself the vital additional accessories. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Brother Single-Sided Coverstitch Machine. With its 6.1 by 3.9 inches workspace, this machine provides the largest space that any Brother Coverstitch machine can provide. This comes in handy when you are working on large quilting projects. When you first get the Brother CV3440, you will quickly realize that it has a lot to offer. For instance, it has a convenient LED light that illuminates the workspace without putting out any of the heat that is usually released by a standard light. What's more, it comes with a convenient thread cutter for greater efficiency. If you love quilting or constantly have to work on cuffs and hemlines, you will be thrilled to know that the Brother CV3440 features a free arm that will make your work significantly easier. Another amazing feature of the Brother CV3440 is its one-touch release lever that makes removing fabric really easy. As if that isn't enough, this machine also sports a convenient color-coded threading guide. Some of the accessories this machine comes with include a hemming set, a belt loop guide, a bias tape binding set, and a dual-function fold binder. Pros. Can produce a variety of stitches. Has a large workspace. Easy to use. Cons. Expensive. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Bernette B42 Funlock Coverstitch Machine. If you are looking for a good coverstitch machine that won't break your bank, there is no better choice than the Bernette B42 Funlock. This machine comes with 3 different cover stitches and a chain stitch. These allow you to flawlessly create edges, cuffs and hems. Due to its looper threading mechanism and separate needle threader, threading the Bernette B42 Funlock Coverstitch Machine is very easy. Moreover, it comes with ample working space and an LED light that makes working with it very easy. Even when you are dealing with stretchy fabric and thin knits, the Bernette B42 Funlock is still able to produce professional stitches. Like the Brother CV3440, this machine comes with a color-coded threading path. However, it doesn't come with a free arm or any of the more advanced features of the Brother CV3440. This is not surprising considering that its price tag is way lower. Some of the accessories the Bernette B42 Funlock comes with include a standard presser cover foot screwdriver, a brush needle set for spool caps, and 4 oiler spool nets. Pros. Easy to use. Its workspace is well illuminated. Comes with a bunch of accessories. Affordable. Cons. Its needle threader is manual. Feature highlights. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.